Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore deep freeze, and you guys know I like to do a lot of these videos that show everything works perfectly. This is actually my personal deep freeze, and I've switched to a stand-up style, but I'm going to show you that it is in fact working like it's supposed to. Of course, it's been plugged in for quite a while now, but we'll get a temperature reading here for you. Shoot that right down in here. I've already cleared it out. Gonna unplug it and allow it to defrost. Been using this one for about a year. As you can see, the temperature is perfect here. Get a picture of that for the ad. But that's a negative number there, and right in between those two red dots is where it takes its measurement on the surface temperature there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just before I unplugged it, I wanted you to see that it worked good, so I didn't have to plug it back in and let it get all the way back down to temperature. But I'll get this out, go ahead and unplug it, and like I said, wipe it down and all that, and get it listed up for sale. But that way you know it works good. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching my video.